exercise 10.4. So the exercise 10.4 is find the cross product, find the magnitude of the cross product, and the vector A is given. What is vector A and what is vector B? Okay. So vector A is equals to, first question is the vector A is equals to I cap minus 7 j cap and plus 7 k cap, and B vector is given 3 I cap. B vector is given 3 I cap minus 2 j cap, okay, and plus 2 k cap. So we have to find the magnitude of A cross B. So first we will find A cross B by applying the determinant process. So first we will write the I, J, K, and then we will write the scalar component of the corresponding vector. So 1 minus 7 and 7, and 3 minus 2 minus 2 and 2, and now start find the cross. So I is this, and by deleting this first row and first column, so it is minus 14 and minus minus plus 14, and then minus j into, by deleting the first row and second column, 1 2 are 2 and minus 3 7 are 21, and plus k into, by deleting the first row and third column, this 1 into minus 2 and minus minus plus 7 3 are 21. So finally it is 0 I cap. Okay, so this is equals to 0 minus 14 plus 14, 0 I cap, and minus 19, or here is minus, so minus 19 j cap, and 21 minus 2, that is 19, plus 19 k cap. So the final answer is of the cross product is 19j plus 19k cap. So magnitude of A cross B is equals to a square of 19 plus a square of 19, that is equals to twice 2 into 19 square. So we can write 19 root over 2. So this is the answer of this question number 1. And the question number 2, find a unit vector perpendicular to each vector A plus B and A minus B, where A and B are given. A vector is given and B vector is given. So A vector is equals to, what is A vector? 3 I cap plus 2j cap and plus 2k cap, and B vector is equals to I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Okay, so we have to find in this direction A plus B and A minus B. So first we will find the value of A plus B. So vector A plus vector B, that is equals to 3 plus 1 4 I cap and plus 4 j cap and plus 2 minus 2 0 k cap, and A minus B means 3i minus 1i, this is 2i cap, and this will be 0, and this will be plus 4k cap. Okay, so this is the value of A plus B and A minus B. And now we have to find, as per the question, find a unit vector perpendicular to this plus this. So when it is perpendicular to this plus this means the cross product A plus B cross A minus B, we will find their cross product. Okay, so this is I, J, K. So I component is 4, J component is 4, and K is 0. So this is 2, and this is 0, and this is 4. And now find the simplification. So I, by deleting this row and column, 16 minus 0, 16, and minus J. Okay, then this or this, so plus 16, and now plus K. So this is 0 and minus 8, 4 0 0, and minus 2 4 is 8. So finally it is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap and minus 8 k cap, and now we have to find its magnitude as well. So magnitude of A plus B cross A minus B. Okay. So this is 16 square plus 16 square and plus 8 square. Okay. Or minus 16 square or minus 8 square we can write. Minus 8 square we can write. Or directly we can write. Okay. So 16 square 256. Again it will be 256 and plus 64. So 512 and 512 and 512 plus 64, 642, 517, 576. This is root over of 576, and the value of root 576 is equals to 24. Okay, so this is 24. So now find the unit vector. So unit vector is equals to vector upon magnitude itself. So we have to find the unit vector of this. So the vector of this vector is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap upon the magnitude 24. So this is 16 by 24 I cap minus 16 by 24 j cap and minus 8 by 24 k cap. So 4 4 the 8 2 the 8 3 the 2 and 3, and this is 1 and 3. So finally 2 by 3 I cap minus 2 by 3 j cap and minus 1 by 3 k cap, and this is the final answer of this question. Okay, this is the unit vector. Got it? Next question is question number 3. And the third question is, the third question says, question number 3. The question number 3 is, if a unit vector A makes angle pi by 3 with I cap and pi by 4 with j cap, and acute angle theta with k cap, then find theta and hence find the components of the vector. Okay. So since I am applying the direction cosine, since cos square alpha plus cos square beta and plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and with the x-axis that is making pi by 3. So cos square pi by 3 and plus cos square with this pi by 4. Okay, and this theta we have to find. So cos square pi by 360, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, and this is 1 by root 2 square, and cos square theta is equals to 1. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So this is equals to cos square theta is equals to 1 minus LCM will be 4. So 2 to the 4, 1 plus 2, 3 minus 3 by 4. So this will be equal to 4 1 the 4 minus 3, 1 by 4. So cos theta is equals to root over of 1 by 4, and root over 1 by 4 means that is equals to 1 by 2. So therefore theta is equals to pi by cos 60 degree, pi by 3. Okay, pi by 3. And now we have to find the components. So the components are 1 by 2. Okay, it is because it is cos 60 degree, 1 by 2, then 1 by root 2 and 1 by 2. So this is the solution of this question. Now the fourth question, question number 4. Fourth question is a minus b. Show that a minus b into a plus b is equals to twice of a cross b. A minus b. Show that a minus b, there is in between the sign of cross. Okay. A minus b cross a plus b is equals to, so take the left hand side. Left hand side is equals to a minus b and cross a plus b, and start the cross multiplication. So it is a cross a and plus a cross b and minus b cross a and plus b cross b. Okay, and a cross a, this is 0, and this is a cross b, and minus b cross a can be write plus a cross b, change the direction, and this b cross b is 0, so this is twice of a cross b. Okay, and this is the right hand side. So this is the solution of this question. Very simple. Now the next question is question number 5. The question number 5. The fifth question. Hmm. The question number 5 I will take. Let me erase this one. Okay. Now come to question number 5. And the question number 5 is, find the value of lambda and mu if 2 plus 6j plus 27k cross. Okay. So 2 cap plus 6j cap plus 27k cap cross 1 plus lambda j cap I plus lambda j cap and plus mu k cap is equals to 0. Okay. So find the cross product first, then we will get the value of lambda and mu. Okay. So this will be I, J, K, and then 2, 6, 27, 1 lambda and mu, and this is equals to 0. So this is I dot I into, by eliminating this, 6 mu minus 27 lambda and minus j into 2 mu 2 mu 2 mu minus 27 and plus k times k vector. So this is 2 lambda minus 1 6 is 6 is equals to 0. Okay, is equals to 0 vector. It is given 0 vector. So this is 0 vector. So can we write 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So by simplifying this, so 2 lambda minus 6 is equals to 0. So 2 lambda minus 6 is equals to 0 by equating the k. So 2 lambda is equals to 6. So lambda is equals to 3. And now take this one. So this is 2 mu minus 27 is equals to 0. 2 mu minus 27 is equals to 0. So 2 mu is equals to 27. So mu is equals to 27 by 2. And this is the solution of this question number 5. Okay. Now the next question is question number 6. The sixth question is question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. And the question number 6 is, if A dot be given that A dot B is 0 and A cross B is 0, what you can conclude about the vector A and B? So if A dot B is equals to 0, so it means that either magnitude of 0, magnitude of A is 0, or magnitude of B is 0, and as well as when A dot B is 0, so vector A is perpendicular to vector B. Okay, in this case, if A and B are non-zero vector, then now come to, if A cross B is equals to 0, so either magnitude of A is 0, or magnitude of B is 0, or vector A is parallel to vector B. Okay, but both the same vector A and B cannot be perpendicular and as well as parallel. Okay, so but vector A and B both cannot be perpendicular. A and B cannot be, can't be perpendicular and parallel simultaneously. Perpendicular, perpendicular and parallel simultaneously. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that hence vector A is 0 or vector B is 0. This is the meaning. Okay. And the next question is question number 7. Let the vectors A, B, C are the given as A1, A2, A, K, K, then show that A cross B plus C is same as A cross B plus A cross C. So this question I am leaving for yourself. You will solve. What you will do, first you will find the value of B plus C and then find with cross with A on the left hand side, and on the right hand side A cross B, find A cross B, then find A cross C, then add it, and so LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so this question I am leaving for you. And now I am moving to the question number 8. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8. Eighth question. Question number 8 says if either A is 0 or B is 0, then A cross B is 0, then converse is the converse true? Justify your answer with the example. So A cross B is equals to 0. Okay. So A cross B is equals to 0. So A cross B is 0 means the vector A and vector B are parallel and A and B are non-zero vector. Okay, if A vector A is not equal to 0 and vector B is not equal to 0, then A cross B may be 0. So let A vector is equals to, say it is 2i cap plus 3j cap and plus 4k cap, and vector B is equals to, say 4i cap and plus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6 j cap and 8 k cap. Okay, so first take any vector and then multiply it by 2 or 3 or 4 as you like, and now find its A cross B. Because this is not equal to 0, A is non-zero vector, magnitude of A is not equal to 0, here magnitude of B is not equal to 0, but find the A cross B. So this is I, J and K, then 2, 3, 4 and 4, 6, 8, and find the cross product with I. So by deleting the first row and first column, 24 minus 24, okay, and minus J, by deleting this 16 minus 16 and plus K, then 12 minus 12, okay. So this is equals to 0 because 24 minus 24, 0 I cap, this will be 0 j cap, 0 k cap, hence it is 0, okay. But the magnitude of A is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is 29, which is not equal to 0, and magnitude of B, this is 16 plus 36 plus 64. Okay, so 30, 400 and 116. So 116, which is also not equal to 0. Okay, the magnitudes of A and B are not equal to 0, but non-zero vector, but the cross product is 0. So hence the converse of the given statement is need not be true. Okay, so hence the converse of given a statement may not be true. Okay, now the question number 9th. The question number 9 is the ninth question. Okay, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle where the vertex A, B, C are given. So vertex A vertex is 1, 1, 2, and B vertex is 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, and C vertex is given 1, 5, and 5. 1, 5, and 5. Then we have to find the, suppose this is the triangle ABC. So we have to find the side AB, BC, okay, AB and BC, and then we will find the area of the triangle. So vector AB, by applying the 2-point line joining, so 2 minus 1, 1 I cap, and 3 minus 1, this is 2 j cap, and 5 minus 2, 3 k cap, this is AB, and then find BC. Then find BC. So BC is equals to C minus B. So C minus B means 1 minus 2 minus I cap, and 5 minus 3, that is 2j cap, and 5 minus 5, that is 0k cap. So this is, so area of triangle ABC is equals to half of magnitude of AB cross BC. Okay, so find the AB cross BC first. So AB cross BC. So this is equals to I, J, K, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 2, and 0. So find the cross. So I into, by deleting this, so 0 minus 6, okay, and minus j into, by deleting this, 0 plus 3, and plus k into, by deleting this, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, so it is minus 6 I cap and minus 3 j cap and plus 4 k cap, okay. So this is the value of AB cross BC. And magnitude of AB cross BC, find the magnitude. So magnitude of 36 plus 9 plus 16. Okay, so 16. So this is equals to root over of 61. 25, 36. Okay, 61. So therefore, area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equals to half magnitude of AB cross BC. So half into root over 61, because it is area. So we will write a square unit. Okay. So the next question is question number 10. Question number 10. The 10th question. The question number 10 is, find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given. So very simple question. Area of parallelogram is equals to magnitude of A cross B. So question number 10 here, sides A is I minus J plus 3K and B is equals to 2I minus 7J and plus K. Okay, we have to find the area of parallelogram, and A and B are the adjacent sides. So area of parallelogram is equals to magnitude of A cross B. So find the A cross B first. So A cross B is equals to I, J and K, then 1, minus 1, 3, 2, minus 7 and 1. Then I into, by deleting this first row and first column, minus 1 and minus minus plus 7 3 is a 7. 7 3 is a 7 plus minus, by deleting the first row and first column, minus 1 plus 7 3 is a 21. Okay, plus 7 3 is a 21. And minus j into, by deleting this row and column, then 1 1 is a 1, minus 2 3 is a 6, and plus k into, in this is minus 7 and plus 2. So finally it is 20 I cap and minus 5 and minus is here. So plus 5j cap and minus 5k cap. This is the value of A cross B. So magnitude of A cross B is equals to the square root of 400 and plus 25. Okay, 400 plus 25 and plus 25, this is equals to 450, and 450 means 225 into 2, that is 15 root 2. So therefore area of parallelogram is equals to 15 root 2 square unit. Okay, got it. And the question number 11. Let the vectors A and B are such that magnitude of A is 3, magnitude of B is root 2 by 3, and A cross B is unit vector, then angle between A and B. What will be the angle between? So apply the formula. Here every information is given in the question, only apply the formula. Okay, sine theta is equals to A cross B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Okay, so what is given? Question number 11. Magnitude of A is given 3, or magnitude of B is given root 2 by 3, root 2 by 3, and A cross B is given unit vector. A cross B is given 1. So apply the formula. Sine theta is equals to A cross B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So A cross B is 1, and this is 3 into root 2 by 3. Okay, root 2 by 3. 3 into root 2 by 3. So this is cancel. So what is left? 1 by root 2. So what about theta? Theta is equals to pi by 4, because sine pi by 4 is equals to 1 by root 2. So the correct option is B is the correct option. Okay. And for the question number 12, the area of rectangle whose vertices with the position vector is ABC, then we will find. Okay, let me solve this question also. Question number 12. So position vector of this point rectangle ABCD are is given as, what is given? ABCD. So position vectors having vertices A, B, C, and D are. This is given. How much it is given? Minus I plus 1 by 2 J cap plus 4 K cap. Okay. Then I plus 1 by 2 J cap plus 4 K cap, and I minus 1 by 2 J cap and plus 4 K cap, and minus I and minus 1 by 2 J cap and plus 4 K cap. This is given. Okay. So the adjacent sides must be of, if it is rectangle like this, है ना, A, B, C, D. So adjacent sides we can take AB and BC. Okay. So we will find the vector AB. Vector AB. So AB means this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D respectively. So A means I minus minus plus. This is equals to I plus I. This is equals to 2I, and this will be 0 and this will be 0. AB, and then find BC. So BC is equals to BC. What about BC? B is here. This is the B and this is the C. So C minus B, 1 minus 1, 0. And minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is equals to minus J, and 4 and 4, 0. So now find the AB cross BC. Okay, AB cross BC. So AB cross BC means I, J, and K, then 2, 0, 0, and 0 minus 1 and 0. So this is I into, by deleting this row and this column, so it will be 0, and minus J into, so this will be again 0, and plus K into, so this will be minus 2. So this is minus 2K cap. Okay. Minus 2K cap. This is, so magnitude of AB cross BC Magnitude of AB cross BC is equals to root over minus 2 square 4, that is equals to 2. So therefore area of parallelogram is equals to 2 square unit. So what is the correct option? The options are C. So C is the correct option. Okay. So this is all about your cross product. So anyhow, dear students, we have completed your chapter number 10. Okay, all the exercises. Thank you very much. And if you like this video and you liked my way of teaching, please share the like button and forward among to your friends. Thank you very much. And now we will switch over to the miscellaneous of miscellaneous exercises of chapter number. Okay, so miscellaneous of chapter number 10. Miscellaneous exercise. Miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 10. Okay, so the very first question, because miscellaneous exercise means all the concept we have already read for the exercise 10.1, for the exercise 10.2, for the exercise 10.3 and 10.4. Means in this exercise the questions are based on the bitriangle law of addition, y area on the basis of area of parallelogram, on the basis of area of triangle, on the basis of cross product, on the basis of dot product. Okay, so now we are coming to the very first question. Write down, there are how many questions? 15, 16 questions. So hardly it will take. Today we will complete this chapter. So the very first question is question number 1. Write down a unit vector in the xy plane making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So positive direction with the x-axis. So r vector is equals to cos theta I cap and plus sine theta j cap. Okay, and what is the angle? 30 degree in the xy plane. So this is 30 degree 30 degree cos 30 degree I cap and plus sine 30 degree j cap. So cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2 I cap and sine 30 degree 1 by 2 j cap. So this is the required unit vector. Okay. Now the next question is question number 2. Find the scalar component and the magnitude of the vector joining of the 2 points. So vector joining the 2 points, there the point P is given x1, y1 or z1 and Q is given x2, y2 and z2. So we will find the position vector of PQ, means this is PQ. So PQ is equals to x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap and plus z2 minus z1 k cap. Okay, and now a scalar component. So find the magnitude of PQ. So magnitude of PQ is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square and plus y2 minus y1 whole square and plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, so hence the scalar components and the magnitude. So scalar components are are x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1, and magnitude This is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and plus z2 minus z1 whole square, and these two are the answers of this question. And this question number 3, this is the very important question for your examination point of view, right? A girl walks 4 kilometer towards west, then she walks 3 kilometer in the direction 30-degree east of north. First draw a figure, then it will be very clear. So this is the north position and this is south position. This side is west and this side is east. Okay. So the question is, a girl walk with the positive direction. This is 30-degree. Okay. This is 30-degree, suppose. So this is 30-degree. This angle is of 30-degree and the distance covered by them is by this 40 kilometer. So of course it will be of 60-degree. Okay. And this is given 4 kilometer. Okay. So we have to find we have to find we have to find this distance b from the starting point. Okay, this is a question, the girl's displacement from the initial point and the departure. So let o be initial point from where she started. Okay, and final position of the girl, o be the initial point and b is final position. Okay, b is final position. So it means that OA, suppose this is A, this is A. So OA is equals to, this will be minus 4 kilometer, because minus 4 kilometer means minus 4 I cap, minus 4 I cap, this is OA. And then AB we have to find. So AB vector is equals to magnitude of AB into I cap cos theta, means cos 60-degree, and plus j cap magnitude of AB into sin theta, means sin 60-degree. Okay. So this is given 3. This is given 3. No, 3 kilometer. This is 3 kilometer. It is given. So AB means it is given 3. So 3I into cos 60-degree, that is 1 by 2, and plus j magnitude of this AB is 3. Okay, and sin 60 root 3 by 2. So finally it is 3 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap. Okay, and now apply the bitriangle law of addition. So bitriangle law of addition, OB is equals to OA plus AB, and the value of OA is minus 4 I cap, and the value of AB is 3 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap, and after the simplification minus 8 plus 3, that is minus 5 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap, and this is the final answer of this question number 3. Okay. Now the next question is question number 4. The fourth question, question number 4. And the fourth question, if A is equals to B plus C, then it is true that magnitude of A is equals to magnitude of B plus C. Then justify your answer. Okay, justify your answer. So means since by triangle law of addition, by triangle law of addition, A vector A should be equal, this is vector B plus C. Okay, and as we know that, as we know that a triangle is possible means when sum of any two sides of the triangle must be greater than third side. Okay, okay, as we know that the sum of any two sides of a triangle must be greater than third side, must be greater than third side, then triangle is possible, otherwise not. So it means that magnitude of A, okay, magnitude of B plus magnitude of C as per this condition. But given that what is given, magnitude of A is equals to magnitude of B plus magnitude of C, ठीक है, which cannot be true, which cannot be true, can't be true. Okay. Now the next question, number 5. For what value of x is a unit vector? So what is given, for what value of x which x into I cap plus j cap plus k cap is a unit vector. So we will find if magnitude of x into I plus j plus k, I plus j plus k should be equal to 1. Okay. So this is equals to, what about the magnitude? So magnitude of xi cap plus xj cap plus xk cap is equals to 1. So what about the magnitude? X square plus x square plus x square is equals to 1. So 3x square is equals to 1. So squaring on both the sides, 3 square 1. So x square 1 by 3. So what about x? So x is equals to plus minus 1 by root 3. So this should be the answer of question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Question number 6. Sixth question, and the question 6 is, find a vector of the magnitude 5 unit and parallel to the resultant of the vector A and B. Okay, resultant means A plus B. So A vector is given 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap, and B vector is given I minus 2j plus k cap. So resultant, let C be resultant of vector A and B. It means C is equals to A plus B. Okay, the resultant. So find the value of A plus B. So a plus b means 2 plus 1, 3 I cap and plus j cap, and this will be 0. Okay. So we got the resultant and we have to find the unit vector. So magnitude of C is equals to 9 plus 1, that is equals to root over 10. So unit vector C is equals to 3 upon root 10 I cap and plus j upon root 10 a cap. Okay. So this is the answer of question number 6. And now move to question number 7. And the question number 7 is question number 7. And the seventh question is, if A is given, B is given, C vector, find a unity vector parallel to the vector 2A minus B plus 3C. Again, it is a simple question. So what is vector A? A is given I plus J and plus K, and B is given 2I minus J and plus 3K, and C is given I minus 2J, I minus 2J. C is I minus 2J and plus K. Then find the unit vector in this direction, means A to B. So we have to find the value of 2A minus B plus 3C. Plus 3C. Okay. So 2A means 2 into I plus J plus K, and minus B means minus 2I minus J plus 3K, and plus 3C means 3 into I minus 2J plus K. Now open it. So this is 2I plus 2J plus 2K and minus 2I and minus minus plus J and minus 3K. Open this one. So 3I minus 6J and plus 3K. Okay. So minus 2I plus 2I cancel out. What is left? This is 3I and plus 2J, 1J, 3J, 3J and minus 6J. So minus 3J and 2K minus 3K. So 3K and minus 3K cancel. So what is left? 2K. Okay. So this is the value of this. And now find the magnitude of 2A minus B, 2A minus B plus 3C as well. So this is equals to 9 plus 9 plus 4. This is root over 22. Okay, root over 22. So hence unit vector along 2A minus B plus 3C is equals to vector upon magnitude itself. So 3 upon root 22 I cap minus 3 upon root 22 j cap plus 2 upon root 22 k cap, and this is the answer of question number 7. Okay. Now the next question is question number 8. Question number 8. So question number 8 is, show that the points are given. Question number 8. Show that these points form a collinear and find the ratio in which B divides AC. Okay. So the points are A point. What is the point A? A point is 1, minus 2 and minus 8. And B point is given 5, 0 minus 2, and C point is given 1137. 1137. These are collinear, we have to show. So these are the points. So find the AB vector. So AB vector is equals to 5 minus 1, 4 I cap. 0 plus 2 means j cap, and minus 2 and minus 8, so plus 8. So this is plus 6 k cap, right? Then find the magnitude of AB as well. So AB means magnitude of AB means 16 plus 4 plus 36, 56, root over of 56. And root over 56 means 4 14s, so 2 root 14. Okay, now find BC. So BC is equals to C minus B, 11 minus 5, 6 I cap, and 3 minus 0, that is 3 j cap, and 7 plus 2, that is 9 k cap. Okay, so magnitude of BC, and this is equals to root over 36 plus 9 plus 81. So this is 90, and 126 root over this is equals to root 126, and the value of this will be 3 root 14. Then find AC. AC, so C minus A, 11 minus 1, that is 10 I cap, and 3 plus 2, that is 5 j cap, and 7 minus minus plus 8, 15. 7 plus 8, 15 k cap, and find the magnitude of AC as well. So magnitude of AC, 10 square 100, 5 square 25, and 15 square 225. So this is equals to 350, 225, 25, 250, 350, and the square root of 350, it should be equal to 5 root over 14. So now we got 3 plus 2, that is 5. So since magnitude of AB plus magnitude of BC is equals to magnitude of AC. Therefore, ABC are collinear. ABC are points are collinear. Okay, points are collinear. And now B divides AC. We have to find the ratio. B divides AC. So according to question, B divides AC means which vector? This 5 B and AC, let come to this side. Okay, so now let point B divide AC in the ratio lambda is to 1. Then we have OB is equals to magnitude of OB is equals to lambda times OC vector upon sum of the ratio lambda plus 1. So OB means B vector means this is the V vector. So this is 5 I cap minus 2 k cap is equals to lambda times C vector, that is 11 I cap plus 3 j cap plus 7 k cap divided by lambda plus 1. Okay, so by the cross multiplication, 5I cap minus 2k cap into lambda plus 1 is equals to lambda times 11I cap and plus 3j cap and plus 7k cap. Okay, and now start multiplication. So this is 5 lambda I cap and 5I cap minus 2 lambda k cap and minus 2k cap is equals to 11 lambda I cap, 3 lambda j cap and plus 7 lambda k cap. Okay, so here is I lambda lambda, so it should be equal to, transfer this side. Sum of the ratio plus I minus 2j minus 8k. This point I have left. So this is equals to this is equals to 5I minus 2k cap into lambda plus 1 is equals to, now simplify, 11 lambda 11 lambda into 11 I cap plus 3j cap 3j cap plus 7k cap and plus I minus 2j and minus 8k cap. Okay, so 5 lambda I cap plus 5 I cap minus 2 lambda minus 2 lambda minus 2 lambda k cap and minus 2k cap is equals to, this can be written as take 11 lambda plus 1 I cap, okay, and 3 lambda minus 2 j cap, okay, 3 lambda minus 2 j cap and 7 lambda minus 8, and now take k cap as common. So this is equals to uh, 5 lambda plus 5 I cap फाइव, हाँ ठीक है, 5 lambda plus 5 I cap, okay, and minus 2 lambda plus 2 k cap is equals to 11 lambda plus 1 I cap and plus 3 lambda minus 2 j cap plus 7 lambda minus 8 k cap. And now by equating the corresponding component, by equating components, so 5 lambda plus 5 is equals to 11 lambda plus 1, and then this is minus 2 lambda plus 2 is equals to 3 lambda minus 2. So this will be equal to 4 is equals to 6 lambda. So 4 by 6 is equals to lambda. So 2 by 3 is equals to lambda. So the ratio we got, ratio is equals to 2 is to 3. In this case also we will get the same result, minus 2 lambda minus 2 is equals to 3 lambda minus 2. So we will simplify only by eliminating, by equating 1 only. Okay. So this is the required answer of this question number 10. Okay. Now the question number 9. Find the position vector of the point R which divides the line joining the 2 points P and Q. This and is externally and internally. So this you will simplify yourself for the internal division and for the external division. So in the internal division, MA vector plus NB vector upon M plus N, and for the external division, MB vector minus NA vector upon M minus N. Okay, can you solve? Okay, okay, let I will solve, don't worry. Okay, okay. So question number 9. And the question number 9 is, here the vectors are given in the internal division. Internal division means internally division. Internally or externally? What question says? Uh, Externally in the ratio of, by joining the 2 points P and Q are the position vectors. So P point is given. This is 2A plus B. Okay. And Q is given. Q is given A minus 3B. So we can write OP position vector, or OQ is equals to A minus 3B, and we have to find, let R be the divides the point externally. So OR is equals to externally MB vector. MB vector means twice of 2A plus B and minus A minus 3B, because 2 is to 1, upon sum of the ratio, difference of the ratio 2 minus 1. So this is equals to 4A plus 2B and minus A plus 3B. Okay, divided by 1. So this is equals to 3A and plus 5B. 3A plus 5B. Okay, then is the midpoint. So midpoint RQ is equals to, this is OQ plus OR dividing by 2. So OQ vector A minus 3B and OR means 3A plus 5B dividing by 2. So this is 4A and plus 2B divided by 2. Okay, then take 2 as common. So this is 2A plus B dividing by 2. It is cancel, right? So 2A plus B or minus B? Uh, uh, Plus 3 or minus 3A? A minus 3B. 3 and 2, 5B, 5B, OR, 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 OR. Let me check the answer. Something went wrong, I think so. Because we are getting plus here and it should be minus. Sorry, 2A plus B, 2A plus B. Okay, huh? So 2A plus B. So this implies that, therefore, P is midpoint of RQ, because it is coming 2A plus B. Okay, now next question is question number 10. And the 10th question is, Question number 10. And the 10th question is two adjacent sides of the parallelogram are given, then find the area of the parallelogram. So it is simple question. Adjacent sides. Find the unit vector parallel to its diagonal and also find the area. Okay. So A vector is given 2I cap minus 4J cap plus 5K cap, and B vector is given I minus 2J minus 3K cap. It is minus 3K cap, 2J minus 3K cap. So if you will draw the figure is like coming this. So A vector is equals to 2I cap minus 4J cap plus 5K cap, and this is I minus 2J minus 3K cap. So find the diagonal means by triangle of addition. So the diagonal means this is the diagonal. So diagonal of parallelogram, that is equals to A plus B by triangle of addition. So this is 2I cap minus 4J cap plus 5K cap and plus I cap minus 2J cap and minus 3K cap. Minus 3K cap. So 2I plus 1I, 3I minus 6J and plus 2K cap. This is the diagonal of the parallelogram. Okay. So the unit vector means we have to find the unit vector of A plus B. So the unit vector of A plus B, so this is equals to 9 plus 36 plus 4. So 49, that is 7. Okay, that is 7. So the unit vector of A plus B is equals to vector upon magnitude itself. So 3 by 7 I cap minus 6 by 7 J cap plus 2 by 7 K cap. And now the question is find the area. So area of parallelogram is equals to magnitude of A cross B. Okay, so find the A cross B. So A cross B is equals to I J K and 2 minus 4 5 and 1 minus 2 and minus 3, and find the cross I into by deleting this and this 12 plus 10 and minus j by deleting first row and second column, first row second column minus 6 and minus 5 and plus k by deleting this and this minus 4 and plus 4. So finally it is 22 I cap and minus 11 and plus 11 j cap, and this is 0, right? So magnitude of A cross B, magnitude of A cross B is equals to this is 22 square plus 11 square. So 22 square means 484. Okay, or 11 square into 2 we can write. We can write like this. We can write like this. 11, take 11 as a common, and then 2 square and plus 1 square. So that is 11 into 4 plus 1, 5. So this is a square unit, the area. Okay. So area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram. Okay. Now the next question is question number 11. Question number 11. And 11 question is show that the direction cosines of the vectors are equally inclined. Equally inclined means we will apply this formula cos square alpha plus cos square beta, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equals to 1 and they are equally inclined. So cos square alpha plus cos square alpha plus cos square alpha is equals to 1. So 3 cos square alpha is equals to 1. Cos square alpha is 1 by 3. So cos alpha is equals to plus minus 1 by root 3. Okay. So they are equally inclined. So show that equally inclined OX axis, Y axis, and Z axis. So direction cosines, है ना, inclined to the axis are 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and 1 by root 3. Okay. The next question is question number 12. This is the important, very important question again. So we will solve here. Let A vector is equals to I cap plus 4j cap plus 2k cap and B vector is equals to 3I cap minus 2j cap plus 7k cap and C vector is equals to 2I cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. Then find the vector D which is perpendicular to both A and B and C dot D is 15. Okay. So this is the very important question, a star question. You can say this is the star question, very important question. Uh, Okay, so this is vector A is given, B is given, C is given, and the question says find a vector D which is perpendicular to A and as well as D. So let vector D is equals to D1 I cap plus D2 J cap, D1 I cap, D1 I cap plus D2 J cap plus D3 K cap. Okay, and according to question, D1 is D vector D is perpendicular to A vector, means A dot D is equals to 0. So A dot, according to question, we can write according to question, A dot D is equals to 0. So A dot D means that is equals to D1, okay, and D2 plus 4D2 and plus 2D3 is equals to 0, put it in relation number 1. And now it is also given that B dot D is equals to 0. So B dot D ka matlab, what is the B dot D? So this is equals to 3D1 and 3D1, 3D1, 3D1 and minus 2D2 and plus 7D3 is equals to 0 and put it relation number 2. Okay, and it is also given that C dot D is equals to 15. C dot D is equals to 15. So C dot D means K 2D1 minus D2 and plus 4D3 is equals to 15. Put it relation number 3. And now solving first, second, and third. Okay, solving first, second, and third. So by solving first, second, and third, so by elimination, apply the elimination method. So we will get D1 is equals to 100. Look, okay, I will simplify. Don't write the direct answer. Okay, first we will simplify by elimination method. First and second, and take first and third. Okay, so I am eliminating by elimination, solving this and this. So from first and second, from first and second, so this is D2. Okay, so D1 plus 4 D2 plus 2 D3 is equals to 0, and then 2 3 is a 6. 6 D1 and minus 4 D2 and plus 14 D3 is equals to 0. So by adding them, so 7 D1 and 14 plus 2 16. 16 D3 is equals to 0, and put it relation number 4. Okay, and now solving first and third. From first and third, so third is 2D1. So, or okay, so this will be solving first and third. So D1 plus 4 D2 plus 2 D3 is equals to 0. So 2 D1 means multiplied by 4. 4 2 is 8 D1 and minus 4 D2 plus 16 D3 is equals to 0. So by adding them it is cancel. So 9 D1 and plus 18 D3 is equals to 0. So put it 5, and now solving 4 and 5th by elimination method. So eliminate 7 2s are 7 9s are 63 D1 and 69 are 144 D3 is equals to 0, and 7 9s are 63 D1 और 18 7 से 7 30 56 6 5 126 D3 is equals to 0. So we got, what about D3? Something went wrong. Okay, so just do one thing. By the substitution method, you can solve. Okay, so solving first, second, and third, you will get D1 is equals to 160 by 3, and D2 is equals to minus 5 by 3, and D3 is equals to minus 70 by 3. Therefore, the required vector D is equals to D1 I cap 163 60 by 3 I cap minus 5 by 3 J cap and minus 70 by 3 K cap. This is the final answer of this question. Okay. And now the next question is question number 13. Okay, another important question. question number 13. And the question number 13 is the scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k within the with a unit vector along the sum of this vector is equal to 1. Then find the value of lambda. Okay. So as per the question, 2i plus 4j minus 5k and plus lambda I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus 3k cap is equals to, so this can be written as 2 plus lambda I cap and 4j plus 2j 6j and minus 5 plus 3 minus 2k cap. Okay, and the unit vector along this. So unit vector along this, according to question, unit vector along 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap is equals to 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j minus 2k cap divided by root over of 2 plus lambda whole square plus 36 plus 4. Okay. So now this is equals to okay. So now this is equals to 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6 j cap minus 2k cap divided by root over of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4 40 and 444. Okay, this is, and this is given to equal to and this question says a 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6 j cap minus 2k cap divided by lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 dot I plus j plus k, okay, is equals to 1. So I dot I means 2 plus lambda upon root over of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 is equals to mm, then this will be plus 6. Then 2 plus lambda and plus 6 and minus 2 is equals to 1. So this is minus 2 plus 2 cancels. So lambda plus 6 is equals to root over of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. So squaring on both the sides. So lambda plus 6 whole square is equals to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. So this is lambda square plus 36 plus 12 lambda is equals to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. So this lambda square cancel and do the like terms. So 8 lambda is equals to 8. So lambda is equals to 8 by 8, that is 1. Okay. And the one more important question, that is question number 14, means in the miscellaneous the last three questions, question number 12, 13 and 14, these are the very important question for your examination point of view. So please, you are requested to do keep regular practice of these 3 or 4 questions. Okay, because many times the question is asked in the board examination without changing any numerical value. Okay, so now the question number 14. If A, B, C are mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude, then show that vector A plus B plus C is equally inclined. Equally inclined. So A dot A, B, C are mutually perpendicular. So what is given? It is given that A dot B is equals to B dot C is equals to C dot A is equals to 0, because they are mutually perpendicular. And it is also given that magnitude of A is equals to magnitude of B is equals to magnitude of C. Okay. And now we have to prove that, okay, let vector A plus B plus C is inclined to vector A, B and C. Okay, vector A and B, C at say angle theta 1, theta 2 and theta 3 respectively. Okay, so we will find the cos theta 1, cos theta 1. So cos theta 1 is equals to A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C inclined to A dot A divided by root over of magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So divided by magnitude of A plus B plus C into magnitude of A. Okay. And now this is equals to A dot A and then A dot B and then C dot A upon magnitude of A plus B plus C and into magnitude of A. So this is magnitude of A square and this will be 0 and this will be 0, it is given. So upon magnitude of A plus B plus C into magnitude of A. So I've cancelled this. So this is equals to magnitude of A upon magnitude of A plus magnitude of B plus magnitude of A plus B plus C and its magnitude. Okay, so this is the value of cos theta 1. And now find the cos theta 2. So cos theta 2 is equals to A plus B plus C dot inclined with B upon magnitude of A plus B plus C into magnitude of B. Now A dot B plus B dot B, okay, and plus C dot B, C dot B upon magnitude of A plus B plus C into magnitude of B. So this is 0, this is 0. So this is magnitude of B square upon magnitude of A plus B plus C, okay, into magnitude of B. So we may cancel this. So what is left? Magnitude of B. And since A, B, C are equal, so we can write magnitude of A upon magnitude of A plus B plus C. Okay. And now similarly find cos theta 3. So cos theta 3 is equals to A plus B plus C and inclined with vector c upon magnitude of a plus b plus c into magnitude of c. So it is a dot c plus b dot c and plus c dot c upon, this is magnitude of a plus b plus c into magnitude of c. So this is 0 0, so it is magnitude of c square upon a plus b plus c and its magnitude into magnitude of c. So this is cancel, and in place of c can we write magnitude of a. So upon magnitude of a plus magnitude of b plus c. So therefore that cos theta 1 is equals to cos theta 2 is equals to cos theta 3. So it means that they are, this implies that a plus b plus c is equally inclined to vector a, vector b and vector c. Okay, this is the proof of this question. हो गया हाँ खत्म. So in this way we have completed your this chapter. So thank you very much. And if you are having any type of doubt, so please write your doubt in your comment section. Your comment is very valuable for me. Thank you very much. In the next class we will solve the next chapter, that is three dimension. Thank you.